everybody, this is Jeff Jacobs, General Manager here in Moncks Corner, Hoover Country in Moncks Corner. It's a beautiful day today, and we're going to have a big time today. We're going to show you some great automobiles and some great deals. So stay tuned. We're having fun in the country today in Moncks Corner, South Carolina. Hey everybody, we got a little something extra all for you this month. As everybody knows, I know that you've seen it on TV, it is Truck Month here at Hoover in the Country. Truck Month, guts and glory. Beautiful Ram trucks, we got a bunch of them out there. I think we got about 150 Ram trucks out there. But as a part of buying a Ram truck, and again, only in the country, this beautiful Pelican cooler right here comes with actually most of the trucks that you buy comes with this cooler. You gotta have a truck to put it in because this thing's so heavy and keeps ice so long, you don't have to worry about toting it around because you can't. Once you fill it full of whatever you're going to fill it full, you need a truck to put it in. So anyway, we give away one of these every single time you buy a new Ram truck at Hoover in the Country. So come see us, Hoover in the Country. Come and see us at the dealership or online at hoovercountry.com. Hey everybody, this is Jeff Jacobs again, General Manager here at Hoover in the Country. It's a beautiful day. We got our first car pulling up right now. It's being driven by Dan Wiggins. Mr. Wiggins, what you got here? Yes, we got a 2014 Ford Fusion Titanium. What's that thing look like in there, Dan?
Drop dead gorgeous, sir. We got leather interior, heated seats. I got a navigation system to tell me where to park the car or where to go after lunch.
All right, great, Dan. Dan's one of our finance managers here in Hoover in the Country. Thank you so much, Dan. This car right here, actually, hold on just a minute, Dan, is I think maybe somebody made a mistake on this card. It says $17,983 and a $249 a month payment. I'm not real sure if that's right or not, but if you come in today, we'll make sure you get that. Thank you, Dan. All right, I think we got our second car coming up here. We got our second car coming up here, and it's driven by the one and only John O'Day. It's a 2014 Chrysler 300, and it's got leather navigation. It's low miles. What's the miles on that thing, John?
Over 28,000 miles on it.
28,000 miles. Man, a great tan leather interior. What do you think about that car, John?
Immaculate condition. Great deal for somebody. Come take a look at this and you'll buy it.
How did it get in touch with you, John?
They call us here at the dealership, area code 843-761-8053. Come on to Hoover in the Country.
All right, thanks, John. We appreciate it. Again, he's one of our salespeople here, and he does a little financing for us as well. We've got our next car coming up here. It looks like a beautiful white Toyota Camry here, and we've got Angela driving it here. She's one of our salespeople. Angela, what do you think about that car in there?
It's nice, clean, AC's cold, CD runs great.
All right, great. Hey, come see her. Do you want us to come see you or somebody else?
I want you to come see me.
All right. All right, she's one of our salespeople here. And wait, is this the right car? This thing says $8,900. 89, is that the right price?
That's the right price?
Oh my gosh, that's the right price. A 2007 Toyota Camry. Oh my goodness, leather, power seats, tilt, cruise control, $8,900. That is absolutely amazing. Again, come see us. Call Angela, 843-761-8053. Come see us in the country. Next car. Here we go. We got another one coming up here. We have a 2015 Nissan Altima S. It's a beautiful car. It only has 30,000 miles. It's got power windows, power door locks, hands-free phone. That means it's got Bluetooth all in it. And we got one of our salespeople right here driving that thing, Leah. She's one of our new salespeople. Leah, how did he get in touch with you today? Did they come see you right here at the dealership?
Yes, sir.
All right, dealership. You can catch her right here anytime. She's got that Jeep hat on, but she's driving a Nissan. We do have new Jeeps. But we have a lot of used cars we're going to share with you today. Thank you so much. Again, it's a 15 Nissan Altima. It's $16,899, $239 a month. That is unbelievable. Good job. Put that on the dash for me. Thank you, young lady. All right, looks like we got a Chevrolet coming next. And it looks like Mr. Elijah Haynes, one of our salespeople right here. Come on up, Elijah. We have a 2012 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Just in case, I'll go ahead and give you the stock number on this one. It's 15J517A because somebody's going to buy this car today. It's beautiful. It's white. It's got chrome wheels on it, leather seats, satellite radio, remote entry, and Elijah Haynes, one of our best salespeople we got here. What do you think about that car inside, Elijah?
This is a beaut. Like you just said, satellite radio, leather seats, and it's a local trade, too.
Oh, yeah, that's a big thing. Local trade, good miles. That's great. Thank you so much. And Did you write this car, Elijah?
No, sir.
$9,500. $9,500, $195 a month. Wow, that's great. Thanks, Elijah. Appreciate it. Next car coming through, we got, oh my goodness, look here. I didn't even know we had this on the lot. We got a BMW. A BMW. It's got a beautiful sunroof. It's a 2011 BMW 328i. Oh, wow, only 70,000 miles. It's got a huge sunroof. Whose head was that just popped out of there? That would be Dan Wiggins. All right, we got leather seats. It's loaded inside. Dan, what do you think about that car in there, buddy?
Sir, I'm sitting nice and cool in hot leather seats, and I got a panoramic sunroof, navigation system, dual air conditioning. Beautiful car.
All you need now is a vacation, right, sir? Wow, 18,333, 18,333, and you know what? This car comes with a lifetime engine warranty. We offer that here at Hoover in the Country. Lifetime engine warranty. Look at there. There's a flag right there. Anything we sell that's under 100,000 miles has a lifetime engine warranty. That means if it's got an engine in it, it's covered by us. All right, thank you, Dan. I appreciate it, buddy. Oh man, now we're getting to the good stuff. We're getting to some Dodge Ram trucks now. Look here. Oh yeah. Man, check this beauty out. Great day. Look at it. It's got a little pollen on it, but that's okay. That's all right. This is a 2012 Ram 1500. Laramie, it is beautiful. Black two-tone paint. It is absolute. Who is this guy back here with the phone number? Oh, my goodness. 2012 Dodge 1500. Is that a four-wheel drive or what is that? That's a two-wheel drive, I think. Two-wheel drive. It is a beautiful car. It's got sunroof. What you got? What else you got in there, John?
61,000 miles, navigation, Bluetooth. There's nothing this truck doesn't have on it that you would want. It's loaded, perfect condition, ready to ride.
Great. I love that color interior, too. That's absolutely awesome. $30,990. $30,990 right here today. All right, John, thank you so much. There you go, buddy. All right, we have a Jeep Wrangler coming up now. Beautiful Jeep Wrangler coming up. This is one of our popular colors right here, this tank color green right here. This is a Wrangler Sport. It's a 2015. Actually, this came from one of my customers that as a friend of mine, I actually sold him a new truck. He decided he wanted a truck instead of a Jeep. But this is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sport. It only has 23,481 miles on it. $26,899, but believe it or not, you can drive it today for $375 a month. $375 a month. Low miles, 4x4. It's got the soft top. What do you think there, Van? You think that's a pretty good looking vehicle inside?
Yeah, it's a pretty good deal on this one.
Van can't hardly talk right now. He's been sick with the flu for about a week, but hey, he's one of our salespeople here, so come see him right here at the dealership. Keep in mind, you can call the dealership, 843-761-8053, or you can come to the dealership or get online at hoovercountry.com. You can get us right there. Thanks a lot, Van. We appreciate it. Thanks a lot. We got a next one coming up. Man, I tell you, this pollen is unbelievable out here. We got pollen all over the place. Hey, Angela, how are you doing? You doing good today?
Yes, I sure
All right,
am.
man, all you need here is a vacation, right? You got the van, you just need a vacation.
I just need a cooler and a little barbecue, and I'll be good to go.
There you go. This is a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. It is immaculate. Look at there. It is amazing. It's got the bucket seats in the second row there. It's got the seat in the very back. This is coming up vacation time here real soon. It's got leather navigation. It's absolutely loaded. And believe this price or not, but I'm going to tell you the price anyway. But it's $19,793 and $278 a month. I tell you what, I can't believe you can drive this for $278 a month. $278 a month. You got a little money left over for vacation.
Yep.
Thank you, Angela. I appreciate it.
Bye, guys.
Hey everybody, this is Jeff Jacobs. I'm the general manager of Hoover in the Country here in beautiful Muscona. What a beautiful day. But man, check out this 2016 Challenger Hellcat. This thing is unbelievable. You talk about muscle cars, this is the muscle car of the century right here. Good reviews, everything. If you want to take a test drive, well, hold on a minute. If you want to take a test drive, bring your checkbook because it's here and available. Thank you for coming and see us today. This is Jeff Jacobs, general manager. Thank you. everybody, we got our next car coming up right now in just a second. But before we talk about that, I got Chad here. He's one of our commentators here today.
That's right.
And he's going to help us with the show today, and you'll see some of him today in the show. But we're going to talk a little bit. He's got a couple questions he wants to ask me about some of the things we have to offer here at Hoover in the Country.
Now, service is a big deal with automotive dealerships, and everybody knows that out there. Now, what is the service hours here in Moncks Corner at the dealership?
Service hours here, we open every morning at 8 o'clock and till 6 o'clock on the weekdays, and from 8 till 3 on Saturday. But saying on Saturday at 3 o'clock, if you need a little late appointment on Saturday, we'll be glad to stay here for you. So keep that in mind. Just give us a call. We'll work with you. That's the good thing about doing business in the country. Everything's easier, everything's cheaper, and everybody's friendlier in the country. What do you think, Chad?
I think that's great. Now, I seen a big banner on the wall back there about Easy Pay. How does that work for a customer out there?
Well, that's a very unique thing, and I think it's fairly with us. It's actually kind of unique to us. What we offer is we offer a no credit needed service repair, which means if you have a big service repair or a maintenance issue that you need to take care of today that you really don't have the money set aside in your savings account or anything for, you just see one of our managers in the back. They'll make sure we got a program. We'll actually finance that repair for you, and you can pay monthly payments on it. It's a great thing. It's called our Easy Pay program. It's a wonderful feature we offer here at Hoover in the Country. This is a 2011 Town & Country touring model. It's got leather sunroof navigation, and here we are with beautiful Leah here. She's got her Jeep hat on again, and it's a beautiful car inside. It's got leather sunroof navigation. Oh my gosh, you look good in there, Leah. You're looking good in there. Great. We got some great interior in that car. With seats are all kind of laid back there, ready for vacation. So. Here we go. Well, Leah, thank you so much. It's hold on just a minute. It's wow. I'm telling you, I don't know who wrote these cards up, but $14,863, $219 a month. $14,863, $219 a month. That is unbelievable. Leah, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hey, and don't forget about our lifetime engine warranty. While that other car's coming up, lifetime engine warranty. Every car we sell here at the dealership that's got under 100,000 miles comes with that lifetime engine warranty. Keep in mind, a lot of lifetime engine warranty products out there, but with ours, you don't have to service your car every 3,000 miles. You don't have to do it at our dealership. You don't have to do any of that. You just service your car, whether you do it yourself, you keep your maintenance records, you bring it in, something happens to that car, we take care of it, no questions asked, which is a good feature for anybody that's got a car nowadays, because anything can go wrong with cars in our society right now. Hey, look, we've got John O'Day here driving a 2012 Nissan Altima SL. It has sunroof, leather, power, everything. That means you don't even have to drive, John?
You still have to drive this, Jeff, but it comes with steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, leather, just turned 100,000 miles, but it's been babied. This is a friend of ours that traded this car in, Jeff.
Oh, that's right. She bought a brand new Jeep. That's exactly right. Brand new Jeep, and for some reason I think you were the one that wrote these cards up, but $10,900. $10,900 for a 2012 Nissan Altima SL. Sunroof, leather, power, everything. Thanks, John.
Check us out on the website, hoovercountry.com.
hoovercountry.com. That would be us, absolutely. Hey everybody, here's some more good stuff here at Hoover in the Country. This is our accessory boutique. Now we sell car accessories, we sell truck accessories, we sell all kind of little hats and different things. Even we got a couple little things for the kids here. Some little Dodge Ram trucks here, some little audio or automatic little toy Ram trucks. We've got all kind of shirts and stuff right here. We've got hats, and man, look at this hat right here. You wouldn't believe it. That's our most popular one. It's amazing to me that a hat it looks like it's been worn out. It's our most popular selling hat. It's a wonderful hat. Hey, and we got we got Ram truck parts. We've got a little bit of everything here. Any of your accessory needs, we've got it here. And also keep in mind, just up the street, just a little while, just about a mile and a half, we got a full service body shop as well. It's got some 4x4 and some more truck accessories up there as well. Hey, follow me into our shop. This is kind of where our parts area is at. This is we got Miss Denise back there. She's hiding from me. Look, she's hiding. But anyway, thank you, Miss Denise. She's been with us a long time. But anyway, we offer tonneau covers for trucks. We offer wheels for trucks, Jeeps, and cars. We have all kind of stuff going on there. And as you can see in our shop, we won't walk too far out there, but we're very busy today. day. It's been a very busy shop day. My guys are very busy in the back, and hey, we've got the cheapest oil change in town, so come see us at $19.95. Come see us. We'll make sure you get in and out of here quick. That's the big thing about what we try to do in the country. We try to really respect your time to try to get you in and out of here fast, whether you're buying a car, servicing a car, or buying parts from us. Come see us here in the country. All right, here we go, folks. We've got another beautiful, looks like a Toyota Solara convertible. Great day. Look at here. This is a 2004 Toyota Solara convertible SLE. Wow, leather seats. Man, this thing's loaded, and it's got Leah driving. Leah, are you going to finish working the rest of the day, or are you going to just go on to the beach?
Go to the beach.
Go to the beach. Yeah. All right, well, I'll tell you what. Give me about another 2 hours, then you can go to the beach. How about that?
All right.
And I might even let you drive this thing. Oh, wait. Did you write that number on there?
I did not.
$10,900. I can't believe that. $10,900, a Toyota convertible. Now, that's just an awesome deal. Come see us right here at the dealership, right here. And what's our telephone number? Oh, she forgot our telephone number. Can you believe? 843-761-8053. Come call us. Talk to Miss Leah right here on this 2004 Toyota Solara. Thank you, Leah. We got one of our popular units right here. We sell this car so good, brand new, but man, it makes a perfect pre-owned car. It's awesome car. Hey, and look at this dude we got right here. What you got in there, man?
Man, a 2013 Chrysler 300. This is an absolutely gorgeous luxury vehicle right here at Hoover in the Country. Take a look at it. I mean, it's got all the gauges inside, leather interior, navigation, backup camera. This bad boy's loaded. You got to come out to Moncks Corner and see it. Jeff Jacobs here to help you. Jeff, tell them a little more about the pricing on this.
Man, I tell you, again, I need to really check my sales managers. They've been putting some crazy prices on these things today. $18,997 for a 2013 Chrysler 300, and it's only got 27,023 miles on it. Absolutely unbelievable. Chad, thank you so much, buddy. Appreciate it. All right, we got our next car coming here. Oh, look at here. It's another convertible. Oh, and look here. What we got? We got beautiful Miss Amy in here. Yes, she is driving a 2012 Chrysler 200 convertible. This car has got leather. It's got navigation. It's tan interior. It is absolutely beautiful. It's got navigation. I just saw that. I didn't see it listed on here, but it's got navigation. And you know what? Not that you need it, but it does have cold air conditioning. I feel it coming out right now, Amy. Good. And I tell you, these prices are absolutely amazing. $12,983. $12,983. You know what that means? That means you can drive this convertible to the beach this summer for somewhere around $200 a month. That's amazing. Thank you, Amy. I appreciate it.
All right.
Next car coming up, we have another Nissan. Looks like a Nissan Altima here. Yes, it is. We got Elijah Haynes. Come on, pull up here a little bit, Elijah. All right, we got a Nissan. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not an Altima, it's a Maxima. It's a Maxima 3.5S. What that means, it's a V6. It's got leather, sunroof. Wait, is that mileage right? Look at that mileage. Is that mileage say 6,300 miles?
Yes, sir.
6,356 miles. That is amazing. Unbelievable. And again, keep in mind, it comes with our lifetime engine warranty as well. And the price of this car today is only $25,439. $25,439. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Elijah. We appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Got our next car coming in here. It's a Dodge Avenger. Dodge Avenger. Sorry about all this daggone pollen. You know, these things just got washed today, but you know how the pollen is here in Charleston, South Carolina. Well, Moncks Corner, South Carolina, here in the country. This is a 2014 Dodge Avenger SE. 47,000 miles. It's one owner. It was traded by one of our service customers. It's got a CD player, keyless entry, power windows, power locks. And the reason why this was traded by one of our service customers is because of our upgrade program. We got an incredible upgrade program in our service department. We got somebody who works it every day. This person that came and traded this car is a 2014 model. They drove off in a 2016 Avenger, a 2016 200, Chrysler 200 for the exact same payment as what they were paying on this, and they had a full warranty when they left here, including our lifetime engine warranty. But anyway, $13,784 for this one owner 2014 Dodge Avenger. Thank you, John. Appreciate it, buddy. Come on in here. We got our next car. Angela, was you sleeping back there? That car felt so good with that air conditioning. I bet you were taking a little nap, wouldn't you?
Checking out the carbon fiber trim. I think that's really nice.
Carbon fiber trim. That's amazing. This is a 2013 Dodge Challenger. It's an amazing, again, this is one of our vehicle upgrade programs. It's a one-owner vehicle traded right in our service department. This is a 2013 Dodge Challenger with only 58,000 miles, one owner. A power windows. It's got a little bit of everything in here. I tell you, that's a nice car. And again, that's part of our vehicle upgrade program. The person who was driving this upgraded to a brand new 2016 Dodge Challenger, paying exactly the same payment. And you know what? I think when we did this one, Angela, I think it was with no money down. They walked out with a brand new car, same payment as they was paying before. We've got some amazing rebates and stuff on some of our new cars, but this is a pre-owned car. It's available here today. Thank you, Angela. I appreciate it. 18,983. That's wonderful. Thanks, Angela. Hey everybody, I know I've shared a lot of things with you today about what it's like to do business here in the country in Moss Corner, South Carolina, but I tell you, we've got something else for you, and that's our vehicle upgrade program. Basically what it is, it lets us trade you out of your car that you're driving now, put you in a brand new car with the same or real close to the same payment with no down payment in most cases. Now what I mean by that, we've got a lot of great rebates and stuff on new cars and things like that, and we really need good used pre-owned cars that have been through our service department. And with you coming to our service department, we know some of the history on your car, so it allows us to put extra money and stuff in your trade-in when you trade it in with our vehicle upgrade program. We just had a girl last week that came in, and she came in to get her oil change. She was driving a 2013 Dodge Charger. Well, guess what happened? An hour and a half later, she came in for a 1995 oil change, which is our special, by the way, a 1995 oil change in the service drive. But she came in for a 1995 oil change, and guess what? She drove out in a brand new 2016 Dodge Charger for the exact same payment she was driving that 2013 for. So anyway, come see us again. Ask about our upgrade program when you're in our service drive. We'll make sure we do everything we can to make it worth your while. And once again, thank you so much for doing business with us here at Hoover in the Country. Stay tuned. Our next car. Oh, gorgeous little sport utility. It's 2014 Honda Santa Fe. This is a really nice car. This car's got leather seats. It's got all the steering wheel controls. Man, this is absolutely. And then it's got Leah. Leah's sitting in there. She's one of our salespeople here at Hoover in the Country. She does a great job for us. It's got dual temperature controls. Man, this is this amazing car. Man, let me look at this back seat in this thing. Great day. This thing's got all kind of room back here. That's amazing. I love that interior. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And again, a 2014 Honda Santa Fe, 35,000 miles, only $23,900. Again, around $329 a month. You can take this home with you today. Thank you so much, Leah. I appreciate it. All right, we got our next car coming up here. This is a Chevrolet Traverse. Actually, this car here has got a little story behind it. A good story, that is. This car right here belonged to my service manager. He traded it, and he figured he was a service manager at a Dodge Chrysler dealership. He had to get him a new Durango, so he got him a brand new 2016 Durango and traded this beautiful piece in. And because it was my service manager's car, you know what? You know absolutely it's been serviced and taken care of. And here we got Chad. Chad, what you got there?
Yeah, man, it's a 2013 Chevy Traverse LTZ. That's fully loaded, 84,506 miles. Leather, dual sunroofs, heated seats. I mean, this bad boy is loaded. And like I said, service manager owned it, so you know it's well maintained. But these are really great cars. Chevrolet makes a great vehicle. OnStar, all the little extras you need. Now, Jeff, go over the price with us real quick on this one.
Yeah, absolutely. We got this one priced right because let's see, it's $23,897, zero down, and you're not gonna believe this, $349 a month. $349 a month. Leather, sunroof, heated seats. It's got it all. Folks, come see us here in the country on this one right here. Don't forget our telephone number. You can call us 843-761-8053 or go online to hoovercountry.com. You can check this one out. It's listed online. Thank you, Chad. Oh, look at the color on this thing. Oh, my goodness, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful red color. I don't know what they call this, but I tell you, it looks almost like a candy apple red. It's a 2012. Oh, no, this is not a 2012. we got the wrong card here. Actually, this one right here is a 2013 Escape, Ford Escape titanium model. It's only got 28,464 miles on it, and it is a 4x4. So if anybody's out there got some family or anything up north, it is a 4x4. So you don't have to worry about traveling in the snow. We don't have to worry about that a whole lot in Moncks Corner, South Carolina. But it is a 4x4 leather navigation. It's a beautiful car. Amy, what do you think about that car inside there?
Can I take it home?
Absolutely, you can take it home. It's only you can take it home for $329 a month. Oh my goodness, is that right? Did you write that on there, Amy? No, $329 a month, $22,883. Leather, four-wheel drive, 2013 Ford Escape titanium model, 28,000 miles, $329 a month. Thank you, Amy. Oh, look at this little jewel right here. This is a Honda. Oh my goodness, look at this thing. This is a Honda Civic SI. Man, look at that thing. I'm gonna step away. You gotta get a good picture of that. That is amazing. It's an iVTEC, which means it's just a little high performance little sport car, and it's wonderful. John, tell us about this car inside.
Under 10,000 miles, so it's basically practically brand new. I don't know if you can see all of the features and all of the buttons and all of the amazing technology this car has. Sunroof.
Sunroof up there, man. It's got sunroof. It's got those two-tone sport model seats.
Like new condition.
Steering wheel condition, steering wheel controls, man. And is that, check that mileage, make sure that's 9,800 miles. Is that right?
Less than 10,000 miles.
10,000 miles. It's amazing, amazing.
Someone took the depreciation for you.
Oh, absolutely. And you know what? Look at this. $19,984 is the price of this car. $19,984, $279 a month. You know what? John O'Day right here, he's one of my finance managers. He'll make sure that you get a good payment and also talk to about some other options that you got on this car. He'll make sure he takes care of you. So ask for John. Again, you can call us 843-761-8053 or online, hoovercountry.com. Thank you, John. Man, this is one of our popular cars. Again, a new car. It's amazing. We sell a lot of them brand new, but this one right here is just absolutely amazing. We got Jason Kramer. Jason Kramer, I'm going to take a minute to tell you about Jason. Last month in February, he was my salesperson of the month. Congratulations, Jason.
Thank you, sir.
Tell me a little bit about this car inside, man. What you got in there?
Super clean interior. Got a single disc CD player. Super cold AC. Nice seats.
It's just amazing. And hey, is it, well, man, it's got good mileage on it. It's a 09 Dodge Charger. Beautiful color, power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise, a little bit of everything. And it's being driven by my salesperson of the month for February. It's got the 3.5 high output engine too. That's a very popular seller for us. So beautiful color. And again, these prices, I hope they've got these things right, but 11,887. Wow, that's amazing. 11,887. Did you write that, Jason?
I did not.
Oh my goodness. So hide that underneath the seat. All right, thank you, buddy. Appreciate it, Jason. Hey everybody, we've had a wonderful time here today at Hoover in the Country, beautiful Moncks Corner, South Carolina. Please come see us. You're only 20 minutes from Summerville. You're only 10 minutes from Goose Creek, 30 minutes from Charleston. Take the short drive. Save yourself a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed our show today. Thank you so much. And hey, don't forget, everything's cheaper in the country. Thank you, folks. See you next week.